come true. It's like this. It's like an honor to have these colors on and to have this T-shirt on. So yeah, really happy about the opportunity. Really happy to go to MotoGP with the Repsol Honda team. So yeah, really proud to see these colors on my arms. You know, I'm get used to see my brother with this in my side, but not me, you know. So yeah, really special and really proud to have these colors. After winning the championship in Moto2, your target or your wishes is to be in a factory team. So you know this coming true, and you know to be in the Repsol Honda team with the team that have more history in the MotoGP paddock is an honor. Also, I know that it's a challenge, but it's a nice challenge. So from the first moment I say yes, 100% I want this opportunity, and you know now try to enjoy this opportunity and try to make my best. I can say, okay, be the rookie of the year. This is the first goal. But to put a goal like about position or this, now I'm focused on in the precision, to try to understand the bike, to try to have more feeling and build up the confidence. And then before Qatar race, I will see a little bit better which is our real position and what we can make already from the first race. Well, you know, it's really special. You feel in the stomach like a really special feeling when you go in there with your leather. You see your team, and you know that is your team. And both bikes, you know, when you put the positions, everything. So it's like a continue of special feelings in the first test. So now in Malaysia, I think will be everything more under control about my nerves, and I will be a little bit more relaxed. But the team helped it a lot to me to be relaxed in jets already. You can have advantage, that is maybe how to put the body, how to put the weight. I think wet condition also can be a little bit easier, but also you have disadvantage, you know. Sure, some aerodynamic things can be a little bit worse. Yeah, I start already in the Spanish Championship with Repsol that we won in 2012 the Spanish Championship, and it was really special. Then in 2014 was a new project with Honda Moto3 people, HRC. All the factory was behind me, so it was really special that year that we won already in the first year of the project. And you know, now is after that, all these years, come back in Honda is a dream, and I'm looking forward to start to work with these amazing people, this factory, and Repsol for sure. Well, I think we need to face it with natural, you know, like a normal situation. We know that we're brothers, but inside the team we'll be teammates. Both of us will have our team, and we need to work in our way. For sure, for me, it's a good advantage to have 6 times World Champion of MotoGP in my garage, so I will try to take all the information from him, from all the Honda riders, to try to learn as much as possible.